Hi guys, welcome by the channel. This video is going to be about Excel functions. We are going to see about three Excel functions. The first one is nested if, second one is VLOOKUP, and the third one is lookup. So before going ahead, we request you to subscribe our channel and share with your friends. So here, a company is having different products, and based on their customer ratings, they want to categorize the products as not good, neutral, and good. These are the customer satisfaction rating. So if the rating, which is the average rating, rates between 0 to 2.25, then it should be categorized as not good. 2.26 to 3.49, it shall be neutral. Then 3.5 to 5 is good. That means the rating shall range between 0 to 5. So now here, we can consider this as the average rating cell. For example, here the rating is 3. So now we will be using nested if first and create the condition. So if this rating, the first condition is it should be less than or equal to 2.25, then it shall be considered as not good. Then the second condition is if this value is less than less than or equal to 3.49, then this will be neutral. The last condition is if this value is less than or equal to 5, then it will be good. So we have got this 2.25 in case it will be considered as not good, and if it is 2.26, it becomes neutral. So that's what we are looking for. Similarly, if it is 4.5, then it has to be good. So with nested if, we have created the categorization as good, neutral, and not good. We can get the same output with VLOOKUP as well. Just I will show you. VLOOKUP, here this is the lookup value. So here this is our lookup table or array. Select that. Before going ahead, I'm fixing that values. Then here the column index is, the category is in column 3. So we are looking for that. And then here there is two conditions, true and false. False means exactly it has to match with the value. If it is 4.5, the first column also, wherever the value, it is 4.5, then only the value in column C will return. But true is one thing which gives the approximation. First, I'll use that in the formula. The output is same. True is nothing but till the next value becomes true for the condition. For example, here I'm putting 0. So till the next condition becomes true, then this VLOOKUP value will be valid. That means up to 2.26, then the condition will remain same. It will give the first category only. So once I change it to 2.26, then automatically value gets changed to neutral. Then till 3.49, you can see it remains neutral. Once it becomes 3.5, it has changed to good. Further, So for VLOOKUP, I would require a table. But in case of if, I don't require this table. But whether I can use the similar kind of thing like nested if, which does not require a table, then you can use lookup. Lookup value, comma. So you have to create a vector, which is the lookup vector, and the other vector which we'll be creating is result vector. Lookup vector is nothing but whatever the value are available in this column A. So starter bracket, first one is 0, the second one is 2.26, the third one shall be 3.5, and close the bracket, comma. Then the resultant vector is nothing but first condition is not good, second one is neutral, then third one is good. Close the bracket also. So here you will get the same result in all the cases. So whatever the value, if you are changing, automatically the output also changes and it remains between all three formula. But in case, see here, which we generally know, since this is the average rating, so it would not go less than 0 or greater than 5, because the initial scale of rating is 0 to 5. So there is no chance, but still, so if it goes to 5.1, for example, see, this becomes false, but these two values are remains true. Even if it is 55, this is false, this remains as good only. And in case if it is -1, see, automatically this becomes not good, but this too is giving NA. So how we can able to control that the value has to be between 0 and 5? That you can do with data validation. We have already posted video on data validation, but still one more time I am showing in this video. Select the cell F4 where we want to validate the data. Go to data tab and click data validation. In that, select the option decimal, because the average, it can be anything like 3.4, 3.45, anything. Once you select this, you will get a between as data. So you have multiple options, but we want the range. So it has to be between 0 and 5. So the minimum value it has to take is 0. The maximum value it shall take is 5. Simple. Now it's accept 5. But once you enter, see, it throws a error. So it will not allow any value less than 0 and greater than 5. So likewise, you can able to validate the data as well. So hope you have learned about nested if, VLOOKUP, and lookup in this session. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and do subscribe our channel. Share with your friends. If you have any queries, please put it in comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.